What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Undisciplined Trader here, and today is the 29th of June. So, this is day two of the demo account that we're just doing for this week. Um, as you guys know, I told you last video, breakup and everything, Obviously, that's going to affect my mind. It's affecting a lot, but trying my best to not let it affect my trading too much, my trading decisions. Made some bad trading decisions, to be honest. And I talked to you guys through them. Definitely wasn't a positive day once again. It's been hard, man. It's been hard. What can I say? It's been very, very difficult. Um, I just really hope that uh, by next week I'll be feeling a lot better. That's what I hope, to be honest. Yeah, that's what I hope. So yeah, let me go through it with you guys. Okay, so first trade or second trade, I believe this was New Zealand JPY. We got 5 minute flag, 1, 2, 3. Should have entered here. It's not the cleanest of flags, so I most likely shouldn't have taken it. Um, yeah, most likely shouldn't have taken this flag, and also because in 5 minutes the flags are not that great. On the 15 minute doesn't look good, but yeah, guess I got a bit anxious and took that trade, so I lost that one. EuroCAD was the first trade of the day. This one was quite bad, to be honest, because you want an impulse, and this is not an impulse. This is just a moving down. Like, this is not really an impulse. You want price to impulse up and form the flag. So I shouldn't have taken this trade. Really shouldn't. But I did. Yeah, but I did. Just lack of discipline there, and just obviously you can tell that the emotions are definitely affecting my trading. So that's just the two flags. There really wasn't anything else in the 15 minutes today. It's a slow week, NFP week. It's very unpredictable, to be honest. Um, so moving on to the other strategy that I do. I then took this New Zealand JPY trade, which was a good trade. Started the plan and everything, very nice. Entered the blue line, stop loss behind here, and then take profit was there. That was a nice trade. And I lost on EuroCAD after that flag. I took a long here. The long I've actually should have taken down here, or down here actually. But yeah, just lack of attention on the details. Sorry guys if I sound so depressed and sad. It's actually very horrible. It's very horrible. I'm doing this not for attention or anything, but just to keep it realistic. Well, we want to do it for attention. We don't even get comments in the videos, but yeah, yeah, just things will get better. I just need to put my head down and get to the mental state that I was in at the start of the year when I got my funded account and I was single, basically. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of you get in a relationship with someone. Sometimes they kind of change you a bit, and one of the things that changed on me was my mindset. I definitely started thinking a bit more negative, and my mindset is definitely not where it used to be. I need to work on it. I need to get it back. Um, I really do. I need to do meditation again. I need to start reading books again, and really build my self confidence again. Really, because at the end of the day, no one's gonna do it for me, and I have to do it for myself. That's the process you have to go through. Obviously, it sucks. It's my second breakup in like 10 months, which is ridiculous, isn't it? But yeah, hurts, but the pain will fade and something else will take its place. Hopefully, something good. All the knowledge is in my head to be successful as a trader. Just have to apply it, basically. Just have to apply it. I'm definitely in a much better place now than the last breakup, but yeah, I'm gonna read some books tonight. Think about what I want to do with my life, basically. Well, I know what I want to do, but by myself now. Think of plans by myself. And yeah, alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Just once again, the undisciplined trader, keeping it real with you guys. Um, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, like I said to you guys before. There's a real life and real people that trade, and I'm being as transparent as I can. Okay. All right. See you later, guys. See you tomorrow.